This piece of art is called piece of art, P-E-A-C-E. The dots are symbolizing the congregation, the meeting points, and coming together. The lines are symbolizing the reaching out, the passage, the routes, the boundaries, demarcating the places. So this piece of art and their way of involving the public is very different from other kinds of community arts, because we don't tell the participants what to paint. We just do something, inspire them, or stimulate their imagination so they can really let their feelings and their thinkings and their ideas and their concepts spelling out.
We have started our artistic journey with Mr. Sun Yu Li on this community art project, Love Revolve the World. Love Revolve the World was displayed at Singapore Art Museum in 2013 for Children's Season Art Garden. It was displayed there over 6 months with many publics acclaim of its beauty and its meaning behind this big piece of art. So behind us, we have moved on to involvement with residents from the West Coast, GRC, where we have our team, together with Mr. Sun, painted the basic concepts of dot, line and plane in white over black canvases. Residents were invited to paint all the colors that they want and to their heart desires on the day of the workshop. We are so proud that this year, for 2015 Passion Arts, this piece has become the inspiration for all in celebration of SG50. So this year, together, Mr. Sun and Artbeatz, we are supporting many constituencies in creating from 80 to 100 blocks of HDB with this painting ongoing. You will see our artistic directions and personal touch to all these pieces coming up shortly before August 9 in celebration of our National Day, and especially this year for SG50. Our dreams right now is to see this concept of community art traveling around the world, origin from Singapore, the little red dot.